Does it look like dragonflies? And then you can add the body sticks to them if you want. The sticks are the body.
Can we use this one here?
No, that's somebody else's.
Oh,
That's what the sticks are for. They're like the body.
Okay, you want to stick this here?
And you can use this
Just stick it down here.
yeah. Where do you want to put it though?
This one
How
looks
about we put it like this
Okay.
on a slant?
Okay.
nice.
And then we'll have to get
Golden. Yes. Some golden to these ones. Oh, you like that? I like that idea. Little gold dust, like a fairy. This might work to paint antennas, or we can draw them. Try this.